goods.
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words.
Lahat naman to. Tumatak lang si JB kasi makulit sa JB. Pero vice versa rin naman kapag si JB medyo hindi Uy, mga tayo din na sa JB hindi nagsasalita yan. Pero alam mo na, syempre, how to reciprocate yung encouragement sa isa't isa. Ayun lang, for me, it's great. Definitely I see myself na working dito ng mas matagal pa, especially with the growth that we are having, not only just as brothers and spirituality namin, pero alam mo na, business-wise, financially, kanyan. Soon, yes, 6 digits, man.
Dun sa sinabi ni Gogo about sa sahod, no? And about hard work na pag hindi ka trumabaho. Mic test. Yan. Meron dito ang scripture na gusto kong i-share. Sabi dito sa, how long will you lie there, you sluggard? When will you get up from your sleep? Yan, mga natutulog sa trabaho. Yan, pahinga tayo. A little slumber.
Meron kaming 1 hour and 30 minutes every week na pwede namin kung ano gusto namin.
2 hours. And, ayan, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest. And poverty will come on you like a thief. And scarcity like an armed man. Yun, di ba? So, ito, conviction ko to kapag nung ako palang mag-isa. Konting hindi ako lumagari, tapos yung tulog ako, nako, it's done. So, kaya yun. It's really a good thing that we put our efforts on what we do and give value to really provide results. And let's go!